Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of not a collaboration video. This company got in touch with me and asked if they wanted me if I can't even speak. It's been a long day, guys. So this company got in touch with me and asked me if I wanted them to send me some gel polishes to try out. And I was like, sure! Actually, gel polishes is like the thing that I really need at the moment. I've got loads of acrylic and stuff, but actually, I'm all about getting more gels. So, this is the little set that they sent me. It's from Laguna Moon, and it is a Soak Off UV LED gel nail polish. We got 6 colours in here, and these colours are freaking nice. So, I'm gonna just show you here what we've got. Now I'm gonna do a video on 3 of these colours, and then what I might do is actually use the other 3 in another video. So you might be gonna get 2 videos out of this one. I'm pretty excited. So we've got some reds which I think would be really good coming up to Christmas. Now I also have a discount code for you guys. I'm gonna leave that in the description box, so you can get a little bit of a discount if you go and buy this product online. So please do make sure to have a look in the link down below and go get yourself this set if you fancy it. I'm really excited. I've already done the nails. I've already filmed that video. I should have had them on right now, but I haven't. They're actually press-on nails that I made for my birthday. So if you want to see what I end up doing with this little set here, then just keep watching. So this is the set, you guys, that we're going to be using, which obviously you should have already seen. And the colours that I'm going to be using for this set are these ones. Mainly these 2. And then this one's going to be just used for a little bit of marbling. And I am going to be using some glitters as well. I've got these glitters here. These are, I don't even know where they're from or what they're called or anything. I'm so sorry, you guys, but yeah. So I'm going to be using them as well because I want to put a little bit of glitter on these nails. And yeah, let's just get straight in and do some nails. These are going to be my press-on nails because I work at a hospital now. I can't have like anything on my nails. So sometimes I like to go out straight after work. And I figured if I've just got some nails I can literally just stick on, that'd be ideal. Sometimes I paint my nails with nail varnish because that's easy to get off. But like if I'm going out straight after work, I don't have time for to let nail varnish dry and all that jazz. So I haven't done this yet. This is a test to see whether this is going to work or not, whether they're even going to stay on my fingers or not. I've got a bit of a cold, guys, so I'm really sorry if I'm a bit sniffly. So this one's going to be like an ombre, but it's not going to be an ombre because I'm no good at ombreing gel. But it's going to have a glitter, like, S thing on it. Just to cover the blend a little bit. So that's that one done now. When I did this, I did them all separately, but actually what I'm going to do is I have done the other hand, basically. This is the second hand that I'm doing now. So then the next one's going to be this. I love this. I think this is my favourite pink. First I thought it was going to be the hot one was going to be my favourite. But actually I really like this one. This is going to be a glitter fade nail. And then also this is going to be a glitter fade nail with the other colour. These are, from what I've used so far, pretty good gel polishes. So if you are in the market for some new ones, I'm getting it all over like the nail underneath, but it's fine. I'm going to pop those in the lamp. So yeah, if you are in the market for some more gel pens, or if you're quite new and you wanted to start out, these are pretty good. And I'm sure that they have like loads of other sets, like different colours and stuff. So go check it out. The links will all be down below. I am just going in now with Another coat on each. I think I've done this one like the baby finger, not. I haven't gone as far down with a lighter pink, but it's all good. They don't need to be exactly the same. I was actually tempted to do 2 different hands, but then I thought, nah, I'm going to do them the same. Yeah, so the discount code as well. There is a discount code and that will all be in the description. And if you guys want to see more video, I'm hoping to get some more videos up on the other colours that are in the set, so keep an eye out for that as well. Right, so this didn't go that well on the other hand. I'm going to try it with this one. And I'm actually going to use a little bit of clear. Basically, I was just using the glitter with nothing on. And it was fine, except then when I came to put the top coat on, it's kind of like smudged the glitter everywhere, which you guys know is a bit of a nightmare. So I'm actually going to this time just use the glitter with a little bit of clear acrylic monomer and just see if that helps. I don't know if it's gonna, but we'll give it a try. Watch this just be so much better now, and I'm like, why didn't I do this before? But we live and we learn. And that is the whole point of doing these videos, is to learn different stuff. It's gone on a lot easier actually, not gonna lie. I can't breathe, guys, it's so annoying. Sorry if I sound really bad as well. I'll try not to talk too much throughout this video. Yeah, right. Well, that's ever going to happen. Right, so that's all good and well. But now we just need to see what happens when I go in with the top coat. Because obviously I'm not going to cap these. That has definitely gone better than the first time. It's a little bit thicker, but a few top coats and it'll be fine. So I'm going to go in with this and do a glitter fade. We all love a good glitter fade. And I'm going to do the same this time again. I'm going to take the clear acrylic instead. I just literally just tried to go on with... I actually can't believe how much difference it's making by using a tiny little bit of clear. Because I used a bit of monomer. I got a tiny little bit of monomer on my brush. And then dipped it into the glitter, and obviously it was picking the glitter up and that. But it didn't spread on like it is doing now. I'm sure I've done this before as well, probably using clear, and it worked, and I've just forgotten, and oh well. It's all good. My own nails are such a mess because I can't do anything with them. Don't know if I actually mentioned, but these are actually going to be, I think, my birthday nails. Fun times, eh? Right, I'm going to leave it and just hope that it is going to set. I love a good glitter fade. These glitters are really good. They're very, I don't know if it's coming off, I think it is, but they're very holographic, which is awesome. So I did find that I needed to use a little bit of this on this finger, so it didn't really show up on the other one. Let me just try just using that on this one. Because the other pink it didn't really show up. Actually, I'm going to dip into both of them. See what it looks like. Yeah, that's all right. I think because they're so holographic, it kind of works. Like, you can still see it. If anybody else has got any tips on doing this. So, like, using loose glitters for a glitter fade over just like a gel. Like I say, it was fine until it came to the point of me top coating, and then obviously it just all spread everywhere because it hadn't stuck to the gel. They look alright, I'm still going to wear them. I think this one looks really cute. I love it. Right, I'm going to, while that's drying, I'm going to go in and do the marble. Might as well save ourselves some time. I'm going to use all 3 of the colours I showed you before for the marble. And I do really like the way this marble turned out, so fingers crossed it's going to turn out well now. Knowing my luck. So I'm basically just splodging it all on. I'm really sorry that Vlogoween hasn't ended up happening. I really did intend on it, but I just didn't have the time or the motivation. I've just really been struggling with my channel, and it's really sad because I've worked so hard on it, and I genuinely do love it, but it's just been a bit hard lately. We're actually very close to 10k though, so that's exciting. Maybe that'll happen one day. Right, so I'm now just going to take this brush here. I hope we're in focus, guys. I'm just going to swoosh them all around. I love that. He's so good. I just love the look of marble. It must just be something about like the look of colours together or something that I just really love. So I'm going to cure that before I splodge it anymore. Okay, so I'm going in with the Mia Secret top coat. And this is the moment of truth now. As to whether or not this one is going to... I think it's going to be alright. It looks like it's pretty set, to be fair. Yep, it is. That's worked really well. It's just whether it's going to be too, because obviously normally you would be capping and I'm not. Oh, some of this glitter is moving a little bit. But nothing like it was before. No glitter transfer onto the marble now, which is really good. A little bit of movement here. But nothing too bad. Right, awesome. So I'm going to cure that. So I've just done one more coat of that, and I'm now going to go in with the Chiara Sky No Wipe Top Coat as my final coat. I feel like I've managed to build up a little bit of capping, if you will, with the other one, and then this is just because I do not like having to wipe my nails afterwards, so I'm putting this on. It's also a really nice and shiny top coat as well, which is good. So in case you were wondering, I don't know if I mentioned it in the beginning, the thumbnail is going to be a marble. It's going to be exactly the same as that marble. So I'm not going to bother like showing you guys that because that's a bit boring. But yeah, so I'm going to cure these. So yeah, I'm not going to bother showing you me do the marble on my thumb. This is the finished look, and what I'm going to do is, once I've got them on my hands, I'm going to insert, probably around about now, the actual finished look of the nails. I hope you like them. I will just say, I think using clear acrylic worked better. However, they are a little bit more textured, if you will, than the ones, on the other hand, where I hadn't used the clear acrylic with the glitter. But it's totally up to you. You can do it either way. If you don't use the clear acrylic, the glitter, when you top coat, it is going to be more likely to kind of smudge about a little bit. But if you're not too worried about that, like with the ombre nail, the glitter ombres, it didn't really matter. But with the little glitter S shape, it did, because it kind of like all swooshed forwards, but you know. So this is the finished result. These are going to be my birthday nails, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do want to start doing more videos for you guys. I want to start doing more nails because I've really missed it, and I'll try and do an update for you guys at some point explaining what's been going on and all that jazz. And yeah, and that is the finished result, you guys. I hope you like them. I think they're super cute. I'm really pleased. I just love the pinks. Oh my god, I just love them. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell button. If you want to check out these, then the links, like I said, will all be down below and you can get yourself a cheeky little discount as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!